Hello guys, this is George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to buy Baby Shiba Inu token on Trustwallet. But before we start, I want to mention that this is not financial advice. This is just video tutorial how to buy this token. So before you make the decision to buy this token, please do a research. Now guys, we can go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. So after you have Trustwallet on your mobile phone, you can open it, and now you need to buy BNB. Because to buy Baby Shiba Inu, you need to swap your BNB to it. So first of all, go to BNB, buy it on Trustwallet, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets. Go to receive, copy this wallet address, and receive BNB from any other crypto markets to your Trustwallet account. And after you have BNB on your account, then you can go to CoinMarketCap. Go to CoinMarketCap, click the search bar and type Baby Shiba Inu. Open this token. These charts will help you to make the decision. And now we need to copy this contract address, which is here. Click this copy icon and go back to Trustwallet. Now click the settings. Paste the contract address you copied a few seconds ago and enable this new token to your Trustwallet. You can see that this token appeared to your Trustwallet, and now go to the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Pancakeswap. Select the currency, paste the contract address here. Click import, understand, and import. Now guys, you should click this settings icon and you should set slippage tolerance to 12%. You can start with 12%, and if it doesn't work, you can increase it by 1% until it works. Now guys, you should choose the amount of Baby Shiba Inu and then swap your BNB to it. So guys, that's all, and it's very simple. I have another news for you guys. You can join to my Telegram channel, which is here. It will be in the description. You can join our Telegram. There will be some discussions about my videos and about new crypto projects which I will publish on my YouTube channel. So join our Telegram, and thank you for watching this video.